We will try to find free bicycles in Netherlands, in Eindhoven, to guide. For this, we just download application Dott, where you can rent such bicycle. You have several programs to get it free. For example, if you connect Revolut to it, they can get 20 euros on your account. Or you can spread the love, share your personal code with friends. After they take their first ride, you both get one free ride. We need it because we here only one day. We need free ride for 20 minutes to try the famous Netherlands bicycle system. Okay. Invite friends, there is steps, and I can share my code with friends, like this. Share my code, and I can choose with whom I would like to share them. I send code to my wife application, and we'll try to use it. Look, there is it. We will try to use it now. Download it. Claim your discount. Okay, we will try to register it and we will proceed. We add our payments details and our contacts to this program and got it. Okay, where we can, I will follow the parking rules. And you've claimed your discount. Got it. And we can get 20 euros if we will have Revolut, but it doesn't have it. Okay. Free rides. Where we can find how to activate our free ride. Oh yes, this one is €0. We can start to ride with price €0 for 20 minutes. It's enough for us. The bike is full. Let's get it. We found this bike. It's right here. It's fully charged. And we have a promo active with the first 20 minutes free. Let's unlock it and go for a ride. To unlock the rear wheel, after activation you need to pull the metal pin out of the lock socket and insert it into this holder. You can see the rear light turn on right away, which means we are ready to ride. Let's go! Okay. It's how this bicycle, renting bicycle, is on the run. We do not get free ride for both, but only for one person. And when you finished, you need to unlock it here and lock it here and to drive. It looks like this. Okay.